Alright, what's up, y'all? Well, here we go. This is the randomization for the McDavid Jersey Mini number 3. We got Chris, Blair, and Nick in on this one. Again, top spot wins 2 spots in the main. Second and third each get a spot. So we'll get this started. Here we go. Dice roll is 5. All right, so 6:05. Here we go, running away with it. So good luck, everybody. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And time number 5, final round, is Chris, Neil, and Chris, Nick, and Nick. Congratulations, guys. Chris, go ahead and pick your 2 spots. Then Nick, you can pick your 2 spots, or just let me know if you want me to randomize them. And yeah, we got 3 spots left in the main draw. So Blair, sorry, bud, you didn't hit on this one. If you want to grab one more spot, feel free. So thanks, everybody. Let's just open that up. Copy. And post that link. All right, thanks, guys.